everyone, this is me again, Rinya Mamoto, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. And for today's video, I'll be doing a review of this unisex fragrance, which is Nightingale from Zoologist. I made a little bit of a research about this perfume, guys. I will just link down in the description box below my source, and I am glad to share this to you. So without further ado, let's start. So this perfume was originally created in 2013 as the perfumer Tomo Inabasang's private blend, and he decided to enhance it for Zoologist to publish in 2016. So this perfume is a floral, woody, amber, rose, mossy, earthy, etc. And this perfume's inspiration came from a ancient Japanese poem. And it says like this: "Soon you will be wearing a black robe and enter manhood. You will not know that each rosary bead has my tears on it." And so the perfumer wants to transform that into a fragrance, and that is the making of this Nightingale. And that poem was written by Kenshi of Fujiwara clan, which is the younger sister of Empress Shoshi 1000 to 1011 AD. That was during the Heian period, where women in the court, they wear 12 layers of cloth or kimono, and then their hair is long and they blacken their teeth, as in black. I forgot what they call about that one. And that was their fashion during Heian period. And the Empress Shoshi, in her late 30s, she decided to enter as a Buddhist nun, renouncing her imperial status. And on the day of her ceremony, her younger sister, Kenshi, read her this poem, and gifted her a wooden box which has a rosary inside, made out of agar wood. And that box was tied in a ribbon and has a plum blossom inserted in between. And this perfume has a plum blossom note in it. I think that was such a brilliant idea. I feel like I'm being transported to that era. But take note that the plum and the cherry blossom is way different. Yes, they resemble, and yes, they both blooming during the sakura season, so sometimes I get confused. But they are way different. You can distinguish the plum and the cherry blossom according to its tree structure. The sakura tree is taller than the plum tree, and I have actually smelled the plum blossom. It smells a little bit of a jasmine, just a little bit. And I will just show in the screen, guys, the structure of that tree, so you will know the difference of the plum and the cherry blossom. Oh my, it smells really good. You know what reminds me of this fragrance? It reminds me of like I am offering an incense stick in a Buddhist altar. Have you seen a Buddhist altar? When you open that door, the scent of that incense, first you can smell it. This is a definitely floral, woody, rose prominent fragrance. It has that calming and comforting vibe. You know, the more you smell this, the more you sniff this, it brings you to a place like a serene place where you can meditate. I can't get the citrus in the opening. It isn't that citrusy sour, but I do definitely get the florals, especially the rose and the plum blossom. And then it turns it into animalic. On the dry down, it is woody, incensey, musky. Like when I smell this directly from the nozzle right here. This is already the dry down after a few hours. It's animalic. It smells like a sweat, but in a good way. I know this may sound odd, but I have to say this. It smells like a dog's fur, but in a good way. I don't know where is it coming from. I'm not sure if it is come from the musk, from the patchouli, or from the labdanum. What I know is labdanum is come from a goat's hair. But the incense and the woody scent is still there. And this also has a very good sillage and longevity. And for me personally, can be a all year round fragrance. And I ordered this sample directly from their website. I will just link it down in the description box below. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and click the bell button, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!